10 toes, that's my MO.
What it do, we in this thing, man. We got some folks out here. We got Quan over there, we got Benjo Cole right here. Yep. I'm out here finishing up these tail lights, and then I think we're gonna go buy 2 more aluminum wheels and make a couple more stops. Before we go, I'm out here trying to finish this up. Shouts out to, I can't even remember who it was, but somebody on the live stream the other day told me to put some tape around the studs, and it'll stop it from moving so much. Even the ones that came off, these are studs right here, they just moved too much for my liking. So I put some electrical tape around it, and it really did help. Like, it's not moving at all now. And on this side, I'm adding some washers to the screw because this side had some and the left side didn't. So I'm just trying to see which ones I want to use. Hold this, man. Come over here. Just finish this up before we can leave. We're supposed to go buy some two more aluminum wheels.
Don't we already have enough?
Nah, I actually got 8, and I want to do all 10 wheels. Yeah, that's too big, so we have to use this one.
So the big truck has 10 wheels?
Yeah. 2 on the front and 8 on the back. Tandem axles. Take this one out.
I cannot. Wait.
Actually, you ain't got to. I just wanted to show them what I was doing. But yeah, we're gonna get out of here. I think what we're gonna end up doing is dropping this car off, because I got a lot of going on Monday. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. You like that one, Ben?
Yep.
I got a lot going on Monday, and this car need to be dropped off. So from where we picking the wheels up at, it's like 30 minutes to drop this off. So I think we're gonna go ahead and do that. So that's one thing off my plate for Monday that I don't have to do. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So let me see it. So this electrical tape idea, man, was great. See, that ain't moving at all. Beforehand, it was just rocking. Check that out. Hold it, Ben. Step on the truck. Hold it with your hand. Yeah, hold it like that. Look at the difference. I kind of feel it without the black too, y'all. Y'all was right. That candy red look right there. It's better. All right. That's it for that. We'll probably catch up with y'all when we buy the wheels and drop the car off. And shoot, that's all we got shaking today, so catch back up with y'all later. All right, y'all, we done got out here and purchased these 2 wheels. They very, very nice. Shouts out to my guy in the Benz right there. But yeah, these things super nice, man. Let me hop up here. They actually probably too nice to put on the inside, but hell, y'all know the other 6 that we got are even nicer than this. So we're gonna go ahead and roll with them like that. They are 22.5 by 8.25 like the other 6. You know, some of these actually come in 22 by 9. They can hold more weight, but you really want to keep them all even, same size and whatnot. Let's see if I can find it. This one is 22.5 by 8.25. These are nice, ain't it, Ben? Throw the sign up. Hey. Yeah, we killing 3 birds with 1 stone here. We're finna drop this car off 30 minutes away. And before I started the camera, Big Mike pulled up. I had some drop shackles I was supposed to give him. And I gave them to him, but I forgot he bought a double deal CD player from me. And I forgot to bring it, so I gotta link back up with him again anyway. But yeah, that's pretty nice right there. We got the tail lights on. Got the damn wheels, finna drop the car off. Drop the things off the mic. Yeah, we killed A lot of birds with them stones then. Hold that. Let me put these in the trunk.
Daddy, I'm hungry. Can we get something to eat?
Maybe.
Or something to snack on?
Let's see what's holding it. We might get some grub.
Huh? Trying to help you. Well, look at this. We've been sitting for a long time. It's been sitting. I like these wheels. Wheels look good. It's a BMW. Probably, it's about a few years old. I don't know, but that's the same. Look at that.
I'll put one back there and one on the side. All right, let's ride. We done stopped and got us some breakfast, even though it's damn near 3 o'clock in the afternoon. This spot got amazing breakfast. I forgot to tell y'all too, forgot to mention, but we got the whole family came on this little mini journey today. Everybody, look. Bray, Brielle, Ben. What you doing?
I got
We're only about 3 minutes away from the auction, which is straight up that road right there. We're gonna get that off and then head back to the house and shoot, man. We're gonna get it. So while it's on my mind, I paid $100 a piece for those. As nice as they are, $100 a piece, which is, you know, $200 of course. And this car is paying $180 to get dropped off around the corner. It was 30 minutes, but it was actually only 21 miles. So not bad at all from where we picked the wheels up at. So basically this car is paying for the 2 wheels, damn near, you know. I like it like that. That's why I say we kill 3 birds with 1 stone. Let's get over there and get this thing dropped off and we'll check back in with y'all. Or we'll probably shoot the footage of taking it off. So yeah, stick around. You like it, Ben? Mm-hmm. You had a biscuit. Well, I had a sausage, egg, and cheese on toast.
I did too.
Bray eat just a sausage biscuit. No egg, no cheese. But we out here now, they're gonna help you get it off. Let us slap this mother back in damn neutral again. Bray, can you get the black ramps out? If you can't get both, get one at a time. I'm gonna chop this mud right here. Is that lined up? Yep. Ben, we didn't shoot no video loading this one, did we? Come over. Oh yeah. Yeah, put those under there. Yeah, we at the co-park. It's a whole different ball game when it's after hours. During hours, boy, rough. It ain't rough dropping off, but it sure is rough picking up, boy. That's why I'm glad I don't pick up much from these spots. Only drop off. You lined it up with the wheel? That's pretty good. I would probably come over just a hair. What you gonna do, hit the brake? I don't know about that. I don't know if I can trust that, my guy. Let me, watch out. Let me get out of, I'm gonna put the wheel chalk down. And then get it, I gotta put it back in neutral. I want it to roll forward. This one didn't have no key, y'all. I don't even remember how the hell I did it. This right here. You push down on that. See my finger? Push down on that. And that'll let you get it out.
I'm gonna go show mommy this.
Hold on.
Huh?
Bray, push from the front. Quan, come here, I need you. You get in, Ben. You're gonna have to hit the brake.
I'm only gonna make sure it's lined up or shit.
Nah, I just need somebody to help push. Where you going, son? Get in. I moved the seat forward, so you should be able to hit the brake. See if you can hit the brake. Good. Man, your mama can't heal?
Mama.
Damn. Let's try it, Ben. Come on, bro. Hey, when I tell you hit the brake, hit the brake. Hit the brake. All right. Nah, she ain't gotta help push. Just shoot the video. Are you ready? Hold on. I gotta make sure the brake got the thing this time.
Being inside the car. Oh Lord. It sure is. Oh Lord. Tell him make sure you hit the brake now.
Slam it down.
You want to hit the brake. Yeah, hit all the time.
That's fine.
Come on, man. I'll switch with you.
Here.
Thank you, mommy.
You was scared.
Yes, scared for my life.
Come here, man. That's why we gotta get a roll back, y'all. You can move it back. I moved it forward for him. Can you hear me? You know what to do. You gotta run.
Seen that fake gun back there?
What?
Look back here, man.
Yeah.
That was almost perfect.
She got lotion in here too.
Ben,
Yeah.
back here.
Oh,
You failing at your cameraman duty.
what is that?
That was almost perfect.
want to see it, dummy.
Quit snatching.
All right, can you get out? Well, get on out then. It's all right. All right, y'all. We got it. We got to clean up our stuff. That was just a little light work. Ain't been too many opportunities with the whole family together on a short tow. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. The main gist was get them suckers right there, cause I want to do all aluminum, front and back. I mean front, back, then you know on the back, inside and outside, so I ain't got to run that plastic space thing between the wheels. Because if you put aluminum with steel, then they could fuse together, or you know a lot of things can happen. So I don't want to be running them little plastic things when I can just go all aluminum and be done with it. So that's it. Y'all tell the people bye.
Bye.
Bye people. Bye people. Bye people.
Bye. Long hair don't care.
Yeah, she do got some pretty hair, don't she? Ooh, we out here, y'all. Peace.